So technically, this is my first video. Well, those of you who know me now, I've been posting for a while, you know. Or privately I've been posting for a while. I send videos out privately to my students, send videos on, market analysis, tutorials on actually how to trade. But for some of you, this is going to be the first time that you see my face on YouTube. Now, for the next 3-4 months, I'm not going to be posting extremely high quality videos. Rather, I'm going to be posting videos in my room on basically just basic stuff like market analysis. Maybe I may drop a few tutorials on actually how to trade and just the basics on crypto, but it's not going to be the final product on what I want this channel to be based on. Rather, there's a purpose. Rather, I'd want to be established in the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, specifically the crypto trading algorithm. So until then, when I'm ready to actually start posting public, good quality edited videos, lifestyle, all of that stuff, etc., I'm gonna just be posting, my analysis. Like for example, today, I'm gonna be showing you what I'm predicting for crypto. Right now, gonna do some market analysis and yeah, gonna show you the trades that I'm in and just what I'm predicting for movements in the market. And yeah, might as well get straight into it. Oh yeah, and before we actually get into it, I might as well introduce myself. My name is Blanco. I've been trading for about 6 to 5 years now. So what you're actually going to see isn't just going to be me waffling from a person who's had no experience. Like I said, this is my first public video, but I've been sending videos out privately to students and friends, etc. And I have taught people one-to-ones, and I have made some money out of this. So that's just a basic introduction. So let's actually get into it. All right, so we're going to start with Bitcoin. By the way, if you're not someone who's very experienced in trading, this may actually be kind of difficult for you to understand. But nevertheless, I will post more videos in the future for the noobs so that you can have a stronger and deeper understanding of what's going on. But sorry, I'm just going to be speaking on a very advanced level, shall I say. So this indicator is called Market Cipher. It shows me basically what's going on in the crypto markets. It shows me the VWAP, momentum, volume, how much money's coming in, which is the main thing I would say about this indicator, and it shows me the RSI. So if we start with Bitcoin today in particular, Bitcoin has had a massive dump. If we look at how much percent Bitcoin has gone down by from the top of today till now, we have seen just about a 6% dump. So that's probably because we are trying to take out a lot of liquidity in the markets. We did have a massive pump prior to this, but it is speculated that January is a time where it's either extremely good or extremely bad for crypto. And right now it's just not looking good at all. So I did actually enter a Bitcoin trade today. I don't think I can show you, but I can show you the other trades that I'm in. But if you don't understand the market cipher, then this may not make too much sense for you. But my reasonings for entering this trade was because I saw that price had literally pumped all the way up to about 102,000, and I knew that there was a lot of FOMO entering the markets. If you look at the liquidity heat maps, it shows you the liquidity levels which are below here and here, and there's way more liquidity to be taken out all the way down here. But if I'm to continue and I go on the 5-minute time frame now, my reasonings for entering this trade was mainly, like I said previously, there was a lot of liquidity in the markets that needed to be taken out. And then when I saw this consolidation happening, I then went onto the 5-minute time frame and I looked for a 5-minute divergence in the momentum. This shows me that there's a imbalance in price, and that it basically projects that there's going to be bearish momentum, and that this is that price is currently lagging behind what is meant to be happening. So from this divergence here, which reflects this high, and this divergent here, which reflects this high, you can see that this high is higher than here, but on here it's lower than here. So what does this show me? That price is going to come down. And then when I went onto the higher time frames now, around this time, there was this red dot. This red dot also signifies that momentum is yet soon to come out of the markets. And on top of that, the money flow, which shows me the money output, was starting to curve down, as well as this momentum curving down. So from then, I knew that price was bearish. And on top of that, I knew liquidity was set to take out, was needed to be taken out below here and below here. So I entered the trade around here and got out around here. And that was literally today. So I think I made around like $500. But this is on my funded account. Now I'm in a couple trades for Ethereum and Link. I'm just gonna show you the trades. The Ethereum trade is currently on $500. Link trade is currently on $600, and I've already taken some profits out of it just to avoid, greed and stuff. But I've taken some profits out, and look, 300 profits I've taken out, and 125 realized profits on both these trades. But I'm still projecting that the market is going to drop more. Well, hopefully. I'll show you the charts now, and I'm just going to basically explain what I'm predicting. Currently up 149% on Ethereum, 135% on Link. Now, if we're to go on Ethereum, let's start on Link. Let's start on Ethereum. If we're to go on Ethereum, it's also had a drop. When Bitcoin has a drop, everything else has a drop. So with Ethereum in particular, we're currently at this trend line level. And I do want to see how price reacts to this level. Maybe if I start to see bullish indications, like as we speak right now, it is holding this trend line level very well, as well as this support level. Even though that I do think that there is a lot more room for these levels of liquidity to be taken out and this level of liquidity to be taken out. Hopefully that does happen. But crypto doesn't always go your way, and you have to take the markets for what it is. But like I said, as of right now, it is looking very bearish as of this massive candle that's just dropped. And if I start to see maybe some bullish indications, like I start to see, bullish divergences in this area, I'll probably take out more profits. If not, and I start to see a break below here, hopefully that happens. But if I start to see a break below here now, this is the Ethereum we're speaking about, that's when I'm going to try and look for more opportunities to enter the markets. And that's in a short in a short trade, not a long trade. And if I really feel like it is strongly rejecting this area, then I'd probably be looking to close this current trade that I'm in for Ethereum, and maybe, probably not, I'd enter longs. But as of right now, I'm very, very bearish on crypto. Like, I'm thinking we could go down to around not definitely, because I'm never going to say definitely with crypto because anything could happen. But my prediction is that we could go down to around 3K and maybe come and take out these levels. If we go on the weekly, what can we see? Yeah, money's coming out. We've had this weekly red dot. And it is January, so if history does repeat itself, we're meant to be, well, not meant to be, but it's either mad bullish or mad bearish. But right now we're showing signs of bearishness. And it's the same thing with Link, really. We have all of this liquidity here that needs to be taken. So I'm thinking that we are probably going to come and at least take out this liquidity and hopefully go down further. But yeah, like I said, Bitcoin and Ethereum really control majority of the market. So if you want to understand what's going on with everything, then it's mainly important that you look at Bitcoin, have an understanding of what's going on with Bitcoin, and then you'll have a better understanding of what's going to go on with the other coins. I also was in an XRP trade, which I got stopped out on, unfortunately, but I think I entered the trade somewhere here. I entered it somewhere here, put my stop loss here. So it looks something like this. Entered the trade here, put my stop loss around here, and then got stopped out, and then now look. But as a trader, you have to be strong mentally and psychologically in the world of trading. So I knew that although I've lost, at least I'm in other trades. And yeah, I did end up closing the Bitcoin trade as well because um I didn't want to. I was thinking that the Bitcoin dominance may start to, spill onto the other altcoins. So I was thinking the Bitcoin dominance was going to drop a bit, but it just kept on increasing. So I actually fully closed the trade on Bitcoin, but I held the trade on Ethereum. And I actually would have made a lot more money on Bitcoin if I had held it, but is what it is. And yeah, I held it on Ethereum and I held it on Link. Am I going to look for more opportunities with other coins? Probably. I wish had a clear opportunity for Solana, but it wasn't giving me anything at the time. And yeah, crypto in general right now, I'd say, is looking very bearish. If you're a noob, someone who doesn't really know about this stuff, I'd recommend just dollar cost averaging. Probably just buy Bitcoin slowly as it's going down at a spot level. So what does that mean? Rather than entering a leverage trade, you literally just buy, 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 buy. Go on Coinbase, download Binance, and literally just buy as it's dropping. Buy as it's dropping, and when it starts to, when crypto starts to refine itself, it starts picking up momentum. People are buying crypto more, money's coming in, and we're in the proper bull season. That is when you should be actually seeing gains from these dollar cost averages. But other than that, crypto in general right now, if I was to give you a price target, I do want to target, as of right now, I'd say 92,000 for Bitcoin. And hopefully we can get to this 84K level that I've drawn out. But yeah, just a lot of money's coming out really. And it's not looking good at all for crypto. But this is a time sensitive video, so don't think you can watch this video in the next 3 weeks and think crypto still applies. No, it doesn't. This is marked for today's current date, which is the 7th of January. So later on in the year, don't be thinking this video applies to you. But as of right now, like I said, it's bearish. So do what you want with this time sensitive information. And yeah, that's it for the first video. Gonna be posting consistently for the next 3-4 months. Don't be expecting high quality videos. Don't be thinking that this is the final product. And maybe by the end of it, all these videos are definitely going to get deleted. So make the good use out of it whilst you can. And by the end of these 4 months, that's when the high quality videos are going to be produced. Nevertheless, please subscribe. Please. It would mean a lot. It would mean a lot. It would help me build, a foundation in the algorithm. And also, please, you might as well add me on Snapchat. You might as well follow me on Instagram. Nah, I'm just only going to put my Snapchat. But that's my Snapchat there. If you want any sort of help or recommendations, or, you're struggling and you want to build a foundation, well, guess what? I have loads of private videos which I can send to you. So follow me. Add me on Snap and I'll message you, or message me and I'll add you back, and we can work from there. But yeah, going back to it, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Crypto's bearish, dollar cost average, sell, go away. Peace out.